Welcome to our continuing series Questions and Answers from the works of Sri Aurobindo and the Mother. Today's subject is Bliss Part 3 from the Mother. It is an error to confuse joy and felicity. They are two very different things. Not only are their vibrations different, but their colors are different. The color of felicity is blue, a clear silvery blue, the blue of the ashram flag, very luminous and transparent, and it has a passive and fresh quality that refreshes and rejuvenates. Whereas joy is a golden rose color, a pale gold with a tinge of red, a very pale red. It is active, warm, fortifying, intensifying. The first is sweetness, the second is tenderness. And bliss, what I spontaneously call bliss, is the synthesis of both. It is found in the very heights of the supramental consciousness, in a diamond light, an uncolored sparkling light containing all the colors. Joy and felicity form two sides of a triangle that has bliss at its apex. Bliss contains coolness and warmth, passivity and activity, repose and action, sweetness and tenderness, all at the same time. Divine tenderness is something very different from sweetness. It is a paroxysm of joy, a vibration so strong that the body feels it will burst. So it is forced to widen. The diamond light of bliss has the power to melt all hostile forces. Nothing can resist it. No consciousness, no being, no hostile will can draw near it without immediately being dissolved. For it is the divine light in its pure creative power. When we have passed beyond enjoyings, then we shall have bliss. Desire was the helper, desire is the bar. Disciple, is this bliss gained by desire? Mother, no. Desire is useful only at the beginning of evolution to awaken consciousness from its torpor. But desire cannot lead one to bliss. Only self-giving can do that. There is a power that no ruler can command. There is a happiness that no earthly success can bring. There is a light that no wisdom can possess. There is a knowledge that no philosophy and no science can master. There is a bliss of which no satisfaction of desire can give the enjoyment. There is a thirst for love that no human relation can appease. There is a peace that one finds nowhere, not even in death. It is the power, the happiness, the light, the knowledge, the bliss, the love, the peace that flow from the divine grace. These days, I am having every possible experience in the body, one after the other. Yesterday and this morning, oh, this morning, I saw there, center of the heart, the master of the yoga. He was no different from me, but nevertheless I saw him, and he even seemed slightly imbued with color. Well, he does everything. He decides everything. He organizes everything with an almost mathematical precision and in the smallest details. Everything. To do the divine will, I have been doing the sadhana for a long time, and I can say that not a day has passed that I have not done the divine's will. But I didn't know what it was. I was living in all the inner realms, from the subtle physical to the highest regions, yet I didn't know what it was. I always had to listen, to refer things, to pay attention. Now, no more. Bliss. There are no more problems, and everything is done in such harmony. Even if I had to leave my body, I would be in bliss, and it would happen in the best possible way. Only now am I beginning to understand what Sri Aurobindo has written in the synthesis of yoga. And the human mind, the physical mind, appears so stupid, so stupid.